Hi, boys and girls, Mr. D here, and welcome back to math. And today I'm doing Origo lesson 3.5, reinforcing the times fours facts. Yesterday you worked with Mr. Rensink on introducing the times fours, and today we're gonna reinforce that. We're gonna use it in practice. So first, let me share my screen with you. Okay, and I want to go over. Can you guys see that? Fine. Okay, I want to go over our targets right now. So today we're gonna multiply and divide within 100. Actually, we're not gonna divide. Let me erase that. We're just gonna multiply within 100. We're gonna understand properties of multiplication, and then we're gonna solve some word problems involving multiplication. Okay. So first, let me get to. Let me flip my board around here. Okay, I want to get to this this screen here, and I'm going to make a copy of this and put it as a material in your pathway so you can play this also. Okay, now this is called double double. Okay, Mr. Rensick talked about it yesterday, the double double method for doing times fours, and you will need some dice, so you can either get a real dice or you can use the dice roller app on Google. Just type in dice roller and this comes up here, and I want to have a six-sided die. Dice is plural. You only want one. So I'm going to roll that, and I get two. So I'm going to go back to this page here. Let me get my pencil going. So I'm going to put a 2 there, and when I double 2, what do I get? I get 4. Okay. But when I use the times method, to do 2 times 4, I'm just going to double the 4. So 2, double 2 is 4, double 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, and if you want to, you could color in the squares if you want to, but that's just if you just want to see it as an array. Let's go back to our dice roller and see what we get here. Oh, 6. Okay, that's a good one. So we're going to do 2 times 6. Anyone know what 2 times 6 is? You're right if you said 12. Okay. But now I want to know what, oh, I did that wrong. I want to know what 4 times 6 is. So I'm going to double the 12. Okay, so we went 6, 12, and double 12. It's kind of hard, but if you know this, you get 24. Okay, so one thing I want you to see is that all of these have, it's called the double double. Okay, we start off with 2, we double that, we get 4, double 4, we get 8. Here we start off with 6, double that, we get 12, double that, we get 24. Okay, let's do one more. And we'll do the double double method again. Let's go back to our dice roller. And 5. All right. So that is going to be 5 times, oops, there's already times there. Let me erase all this, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. So 5 times 2, double 5, what do you get? 10. But 5 times 4, you double the 10, what do you get? That's 20. That was easy, I like that. But let's go ahead and write it down. So 5, double 5, you get 10. Double 10, you get 20, okay? So anyway, you can use this paper if you want to, but you don't have to use this paper. You can just get a die and a piece of paper and do this combination there, the double double. 2 double 4 is 8, or sorry, 2 double 2 is 4, double 4 is 8, double double. 6 double 6, you get 12, double 12, you get 24, double double. 5 double 5 is 10, double 10 is 20. Okay, let's go to our page now. That's not a page, this is a page. Okay, so go and get your Origo and go to 3.5, which is on page 94. Okay, and let me see if I can zoom in here so I can make this page a little bigger. but I don't know if I can. That's okay. So this is saying there are some word problems here. Okay, so let's look at A. It says there are 7 people in each car and there are 4 cars. So it's 7 times 4. So first we got a double 7. So double 7 is 14, and then double 14 is, and you can write an algorithm if you want to. We can draw 14 dots and then 14 more dots and count that up. But you should get, oh, I didn't get my pen ready. You should get 28 on that one, okay? Let's look at B. It says there are 4 shelves on 10 and 10 books on each shelf. How many books are there in total? Okay, so we're gonna, this is 10 times 4. So are we gonna double the 10 or the 4? We're gonna double whatever is not the 4. Okay, or double. So we're gonna double the 10. So first, double 10 is what? This is easy. Double 10 is 20, and double 20 is, I'm not gonna tell you, you can figure that yourself. Okay, I'm only gonna do the first parts with you, okay? This one, there are 4 tiles. Each tile is 6 inches long. What is the total length? So that multiplication is 6 times 4. And again, what are we going to double? The 6 or the 4? We're going to double what is not a 4. So that happens to be the 6. So double 6 is 12. And then double 12 is, I'm not going to tell you, you got to figure it out. I'm just setting it up for you. You guys got to figure it out, okay? And D, there are 9 apples in each bag. There are 4 bags. That's not apples. How many apples in total? Who can tell me what the multiplication equation is for this? You're right. 9 times 4. And what are we going to double? The 9 or the 4? That's right. We're going to double whatever is not a 4. And that happens to be the 9. So double 9 is 18. Because 9 is 18. Now we got to double the 18. What do you get? I'm not going to tell you. Okay. Let's go to the next page. I'll show you how to do it. So this is kind of what we were doing earlier. We're going to double the 5. Okay. Double. So 5 double 5 is 10. And I'm going to write it just so you can see it better. So double 5 is 10. Double 10 is 20. And that's just saying 5 times 4 is 20. Now you can use the dice here again if you want to, or you can just write any number you want to, but it's got to be a single digit number. So it's got to be between 1 and 9. Okay, we're not going to use 0. Zeros are too easy. Let's give ourselves a challenge. Okay, so you can either use the dice or just pick your 3 favorite numbers. Okay, and then put that here in the middle, or in the first number, and then you're going to double, and that's also the same thing as saying times 4. Okay. And it says, write the numbers in a diagram to help you solve the word problem. Here's our other target. It says solving word problems involving multiplication. Okay, so let's go back to our page here. This is a word problem. Dina earns $6 each week. How much money does she have? Could she have after 4 weeks? Okay, that is a multiplication problem. It's 6 times 4. What are we going to double? The 6 or the 4? That's right, whatever is not 6. So I'm going to put that here. Oh, sorry, what is not a 4, which happens to be 6. So 6 double 6 is something. I'm not going to tell you. Double that something is your answer. Okay. Then it says, write the products. Think double, then write the turnaround. Okay. So on A, 5 times 4, I'm not going to tell you, but what are you going to double? The 4 or the 5? You are going to double the 5. I'm going to circle that, okay? And then it says write the turnaround fact. So whatever answer you get there, 5 times 4, the turnaround fact is 4 times 5, right? And then 3 times 4, turnaround fact is 4 times 3. What are you going to double there, by the way? The 3 or the 4? That's right. You're going to double the 3. That should be an easy one. And then on C, 8 times 4, double double is 4. Sorry, turnaround factor is 4 times 8. And that's the best. Let me make that better. 8. There we go. Oh, come on. Here we go. Here we go. And are you going to double double the 8 or the 4? You're going to double double the 8. Okay. Okay, on your step ahead, you give yourself a challenge. Just write a number between 10 and 20 in the first box, and then write the double double. Okay, so that's where you can use your greater numbers than 1 through 9. So let me quit sharing here. Go ahead and finish these 2 pages, 3.5, and then take a picture of them and let your teacher know about that picture inside the Google slide, and don't forget to turn it in and share with your teacher. Thanks a lot.